The figure shows the VI characteristics of a semiconductor diode designed to operate under reverse bias. Okay, here the I, it is MA and I is equal to mu times A. This is the reverse bias and this is the forward bias, where a reverse bias V is equal to VZ and forward bias V times, that is V only. Okay, so for this circuit we need to find something like identify the semiconductor diode used. Which type of semiconductor diode we are going to use here? The type of semiconductor diode used here is, it is ZR diode. Okay, draw the circuit diagram to obtain the given characteristics of this device. The circuit diagram you can draw for the given diagram is like this, miles. Okay. And third point is briefly explain one of use of this device. One of the use of this device is, that is the point C, this is the part B. Okay. The xenon diode can be used as a voltage regulator in its breakdown region. The xenon voltage remains constant even when the current through the xenon diode changes. This is one of the use of this particular device.